Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back once again with yet another beautiful DIY for you all, and today I'm going to make not one, not two, but 5 different types of candles for you all. And these candles are Valentine Day candles, or you can even give these candles on anniversaries, or you can just simply put them as centerpiece on your dining table. So the choice is completely yours. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon for all the regular updates. Now let's check out what all we need for making these beautiful candles. At first, the main ingredient, which is paraffin wax, then gel wax, some silicone molds, candle wick, some white glue, some glitter tapes, glitter sheet, scissor. Then these are glitter hearts which I have cut from a glitter foam sheet. Then wick sustainers, aroma oil, some mini embellishments, and a lace and glass jar. So let's get started. So our first candle is a pillar candle which I am going to decorate with this beautiful hearts. So I have taken white glue and just simply I am applying the white glue and sticking the hearts on the pillar candle. It's very simple yet very elegant candle. The next candle which I am making is a red candle, and I'll be decorating this using this glitter sheet. So I'll just first measure how much glitter sheet I need. And I'll just separate the excess sheet. So I have this adhesive which is there at the back side of this glitter sheet. So I just need to peel this off, and it's easily peelable, and I'll just stick it on the candle. I'll share the material list in the description box so that it's easy for you to check out all the materials. Now let's decorate it with a glitter tape. So I have these different glitter tapes of different colors. So the next candle which I'm going to make is this rose candle, and also I'm going to make this small tiny hearts for my bigger heart candle. So I have melted paraffin wax and added red color to it. And now I'll be adding fragrance. So the quantity of red color is according to your choice, how bright you want your candle to be. In that proportion you can add the color. I'm adding rose fragrance to it. And just gently stir it. I'll put this into the mold. This mold is basically, it has no hole, so I'll be fixing the wick later on once I demold the candle. And And similarly these tiny hearts also I'm going to fill. Next I'm going to make a jar candle with gel wax. I have already fixed the wick in the jar and I have melted gel wax and added red color. I'm adding some fragrance oil to this and I want to add some glitter to it. So this is a powdered glitter which I am adding to my melted gel wax so as to get that glittery candle. It's a silver and red glitter mix. Now just I'm going to stir it and pour it gently. It looks very beautiful while you lighten this. And I want to thank you all for giving all the love and support to my shaded and emoji candle. And I'll share the link in the description box for both the videos. And thank you so much for giving such a wonderful response to both the videos. So I have poured this. Now this also we'll have to let it set along with the rose candle, and now we'll proceed towards our next candle. So the last candle which we are going to make is this heart candle, and for that we have already set the mini hearts and they are quite hard. Let's demold them. I'm easily peeling them off and I'm just scraping off the excess. You can also use heart-shaped cookie cutters, the mini ones, for giving these embed shapes. You can check out my video for that. There's a heart-shaped soap I have made, and I'll give the link of the same in the description box. So that's the second method which you can use for making these mini embeds if you are not having this kind of mold. So that's it, they are ready. Now just place them into our mold. The way you want. I think 5 of them will be sufficient. And now I have melted this paraffin wax. I've added white color to it and some fragrance, and now I'm just pouring them. Now this will take around half an hour to set, and then I'll be demolding this one and the rose one which is setting. So both the candles are set. Let's demold them. Easily it is getting peeled off, and just see how beautiful it has turned out. Let's demold another. Gently I am pushing it downwards. It's a small petal has come out, but not an issue because the shape is intact. This is how the rosebud looks like. Now let's fix the wick in both. Now I'm fixing the wick in both the candles. This is a small wire which I have taken, and I'm just heating it up, and from the back side I'm making a hole in this. I have shown you in my earlier videos as well how to make a hole in the candles which are not having the hole in it. And I'll trim off the excess wick. You can also do alternate candles, like you can do these small hearts in white and the bigger one in red. That also will look very nice. Now let's fix the wick in the rose one in the similar way. So guys, we are done with all the 5 candles, and this is how our 5 beautiful Valentine candles look like. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and share it as much as possible. Also, if you want me to make any specific candle making video, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be really happy to make the videos for you all. And thank you so much for watching the videos. Keep watching Enchanting Lights. Thank you. Bye bye.